This video is just for educational purposes. If any illegal activity is done by you, tech provider will not be responsible for any illegal activity. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do digital forensics. Now, go to the Kali Linux machine and open the browser and search Volatility Foundation 2.6 release. I will download 2.6 version because in my system 2.6 release version is compatible as compared to latest Volatility 3 version. Now right click on the link and open the link. Now right click on the Linux extendable executable file and copy the link. Now go to the terminal and enter wget command to download the zip file. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to download the file. Now you can see in my system this zip file is downloaded. So let's unzip this file. I will copy this name and run unzip command, unzip and enter the file name. Now you can see file is unzipped. Now go to this directory and you can see here is a standalone file. We have to move this file in user bin directory so that we can access this tool from anywhere. Now use run sudo mv volatility tool name standalone file. Now in which directory you have to move. I will move in this user bin volatility directory. So now go to the browser again. We have to download the volatility plugins, superponable plugins. You have to search superponable volatility plugins GitHub. Now right click on this link and open this link and copy the git URL and go to the terminal and git clone this plugins. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Depends upon your internet connection speed. You can see Volatility plugins is downloaded in my system. Now we have to run volatility hyphen plugins is equal to plugins directory name volatility plugins and hyphen L. So that we have to check whether all the plugins are working properly or not. You can see here two plugins cause error. One is Chrome history and another is Firefox history. Now ls command and go to the volatility plugins directory to solve the error. Now open the chrome history.py file, chrome history.py file. You have to comment out the command, these two commands. One is import CSV and another is from cryptoprotocol.kdf import pkbdf2. These cause error. Now save these changes and now open the Firefox history.py file. Firefox history.py file. In this, we have to and comment out the same command import CSV. Now save the changes and exit from there. Now rerun the following command to check whether the plugins are working properly or not. Now you can see there is no error. Error is resolved. Now go to the browser and we have to download memory dump file from memelabs GitHub page. So search memelabs GitHub page. The first one is the link. You have to click on it and just scroll down. There are total 7 labs. So I am downloading beginner's luck. Now open the link and just download the zip file from here. Now click on it. You can see this is the file. So I am downloading this file. You can see file is downloaded. Now check ls command and you can see the zip file is downloaded. So and extract the zip file. Yeah, file is still extracting because memory dump file is heavy. It's like 9 GB, sometimes it is 6 GB, 2 GB. It depends upon what the file contains. So you can see memory dump file extraction is completed. Now enter the volatility -l. First we use the volatility plugins. Now we have to enter the F option and enter the memory dump file name and enter the image info flag because for example there are lots of Windows version like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay, so in Windows 10 you can see there are also lots of profiles and versions like Windows 10, Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Enterprise. So we have to always first check which profile of the system this file contains. Now wait for a minute because it takes much time to show the info. If this tool shows you more than one profile, then always try first one profile because generally it gives almost true profile on the first chance. You see, this tool shows you many profiles, suggested profile. Always try from first profile. Then we have to enter PS list to find out what process or which processes are run while these memory get dumped. So we have to enter also profile option and mention the profile because this tool check and work according to the profile. Now you can see there are lots of processes running while dump this file, dump the memory. Now this one dump.it.exe tool is used for dump the memory file because memory contains your login credentials and many more things like cmd.exe, on host.exe, svc host.exe. These are the Windows functions. So now you can check also whether which command you have to run or not, or which flag have as which function. So I will search it ps list. Print all running processes by following the process list. So this tool show you all the processes which are running at that time. So now clear the and now ps list. We have to check whether the which command is run at that time. So I will show you what is the work of cmd scan. Extract command history by scanning for command history. Means what command is running at that time. So here you can see this command is run at that time. So it's a custom command. So now we have to check if we want to check if there is any input or output is entered by the user or not. The consoles command extract command history by scanning. So we use consoles. Now wait for a minute while these two are working. Here you can see this command is running and we see this command earlier also. Now another command is this one. This hash look like base64. Now we have to decrypt the base64. So echo, enter the hash and base64 -d. Yeah, you can see this is the flag we got. So I hope you get all the idea how digital forensic works. This is a walkthrough of volatility tool that is often used in digital forensics. Stay tuned for more forensics content. Check out my blog for more cybersecurity content. Thank you.